How to recover a TikTok account with username. Open the TikTok app. Go to your profile. Click on Use Phone, Email, or Username. Click on question mark at the top. Click on Recover your account. Click on Email. Write down the email. Click on Next. Click on Need Help. Select your solution. Click on Recover My Account. They sent you details. Click on Helpful if it is helpful for you. Now go to web browser. Search TikTok feedback. Select Share Feedback. Read the article. Here is the article TikTok shared with you. Mark it helpful. Go back to TikTok, and it will recovered within 2 to 3 working days. Enjoy watching TikTok videos. That's how you can recover a TikTok account with username. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.